Hello everyone, this is Mortaza Baluch. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic for English learners: how to give your opinions in English. Whether you're having a conversation with a native speaker or writing an essay, expressing your thoughts and opinions is crucial. So let's dive in and learn some useful phrases and expressions to give your opinion in English. The first phrase on our list is "in my opinion." In my opinion. This is a polite way to introduce your opinion without sounding too forceful. For example, in my opinion, the movie was quite entertaining. In my opinion, the movie was quite entertaining. Another common phrase you can use is "I believe." I believe. This shows that you have thought about your opinion and have a strong conviction about it. For instance, I believe that everyone should have access to education. I believe that everyone should have access to education. When having a conversation, you can also use phrases like "I think" or "I feel." So, I think or I feel. These phrases are less formal and can be used in a casual setting. For example, I think the new restaurant in town is amazing. I think the new restaurant in town is amazing. Or, I feel like we should go on a vacation. I feel like we should go on a vacation. Now, let's move on to some phrases that can help you express your agreement or disagreement with someone's opinion. If you agree with someone, you can say, "I agree with you." Simple. I agree with you. Or, "I couldn't agree more." I couldn't agree more. On the other hand, if you disagree, you can say, "I see your point, but I disagree." I see your point, but I disagree. Or, "I'm sorry, but I have to disagree with you." I'm sorry, but I have to disagree with you. It's also important to be able to justify your opinion. For this, you can use phrases like, "the reason why I think this is because blah blah blah." The reason why I think this is because blah 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 blah. Or, "my opinion is based on blah blah blah." My opinion is based on blah 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 blah. This shows that you have valid reasons for your opinion and can help in having a healthy conversation or a healthy discussion. Now, let's talk about some phrases that can help you express your strong agreement or disagreement. If you strongly agree with someone, you can say, "I completely agree with you." I completely agree with you. Or, "I couldn't agree more." I couldn't agree more. And if you strongly disagree, you can say, "I strongly disagree with you." I strongly disagree with you. Or, "I'm afraid I have to disagree with you." I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. But lastly, let's look at some phrases that can help you express your uncertainty or hesitation about an opinion. You can use phrases like, "I'm not sure, but I think blah blah blah." I'm not sure, but I think blah blah blah. Or, "I'm not entirely convinced, but blah 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 blah." This shows that you are open to hearing other perspectives and are not too rigid in your opinion. And there you have it, some useful phrases and expressions to give your opinion in English. Yeah, you did it. Remember, it's important to be respectful and considerate when expressing your opinions, and always be open to listening to others' opinions as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.